In a bustling city kitchen, Sam, an enthusiastic chef with a passion for vibrant flavors, sets out to create a culinary masterpiece with a tropical twist. The dish? Mango chicken stir-fry. Sam begins by finely slicing vibrant bell peppers and onions, their colors bright against the cutting board. Next, he dices juicy mangoes, their sweet aroma filling the air. With practiced precision, he prepares tender chicken pieces, seasoning them with a blend of spices that include ginger, garlic, and a touch of soy sauce. As the pan heats up, Sam adds a dash of sesame oil, its nutty fragrance wafting through the kitchen. He tosses in the chicken, searing it to a golden brown perfection before adding the sliced vegetables. The sizzling sounds are music to his ears. The final touch is the mango, added just before the dish is done, to retain its freshness and sweetness. Sam plates the mango chicken stir-fry, garnishing it with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime. The result is a symphony of flavors. The tender chicken melts perfectly with the sweet mango and the crunchy vegetables, all brought together by the savory sauce. Each bite transports Sam to a blissful tropical paradise, a perfect balance of sweet, savory, and zest. His diners are equally delighted, each one savoring the vibrant and refreshing taste of his latest creation.